Hey, I want to introduce you to these running board light strips that we just recently received. These things are super awesome. These lights are very versatile, and they're just great on how bright they are. Like any emergency situation, wherever you have these things on your truck, these things are going to be noticed. They can be seen from quite a distance away. They're super bright. They're easy to install. They're very durable and just user friendly. There's just so many things about them that are awesome. I can't wait to open this box up and show you how they work. When you open the box up, here's what you get. You get this nice set of directions. All color, easy to read. Obviously, it shows you how the operation works, but it's super awesome. They come packaged in the cellophane bag. And you can see they come in two separate 70-inch strips. They've got like a 3M type backing tape that works awesome. They sticks really well to the truck. And it makes it really simple for install. This is the plug-in, cigarette lighter plug-in, real easy to use, on-off switch. It's really nice because it's got a little red indicator to let you know when it's on. And this is another little toggle switch. That's the one you use to go through the different sequences of the strobes. They also give a nice little pack of installation stuff if you so choose to use. Like you get some zip ties. And you get these nice little clear plastic brackets that you could use, and the mounting screws if you need to mount it to a vehicle. I haven't had to use those yet. The 3M tape has been wonderful for me. These things are super nice. I can't wait to get it installed and show you what they look like. Simple cigarette lighter. You see the indicator light. And this button is what changes the different strobing. As you can see, the install of these lights is really easy to do, and they're easy operation. It's just that simple plug-in, moving around, and now you can see all the different strobe patterns. Hopefully you enjoy it. It's going to make your emergency vehicles that much more visible. Thanks for watching.